So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a banana special smoothie. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment on what to think about my videos. All right, thank you so much to all my supporters. Thank you for sharing, thank you for watching, and thank you for always leaving a comment. Alright, thank you so much. So let's dive right into the video. So I have here banana special smoothie. So I have a banana, some cranberry juice, I have some mixed fruits here which consists of melon, cantaloupe, and I have my mango strawberry blend, I have some yogurt, and I have my bullets. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna to the blender, add some fruits. These are not frozen, these are already was in the bottom of the fridge. You know, I'm using that. And add some of the frozen too. Frozen fruits. I'm gonna add like yogurt, and you can put as many as you want to put in it, okay? Now I'm gonna add the juice, cranberry juice. Okay, I'm gonna put in more. I'm gonna cover and blend. And there I have it, guys. Quick, easy breakfast. I was on the go and I decided, oh, let's make a smoothie. It's not as thick because most of the fruits were not frozen, but yeah. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna glass it now. Easy breakfast. That taste feel like I'm really drinking it, guys. So nice, so delicious. So go ahead, guys, and whip up those smoothie for breakfast. You're on the go, you don't want to go on the stove, no fire. Just use the fruits that you have and just make a quick smoothie. Easy breakfast item. And there I have it, my banana special smoothie, all done and ready for breakfast. So nice. So remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment and know what to think about this quick and easy breakfast smoothie. Yeah, you can carry it for lunch or you can have it for breakfast. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.